शुड यू स्पेंड 45,000 ऑन अ पेयर ऑफ हेडफोन्स? इसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिलने वाला है आपको इस वीडियो में। हाय गाइस, आई एम अनुभा पांडे एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डायसन ऑन ट्रैक। This is the second generation of headphones launched by Dyson. And before we move on to the product, let's talk about Dyson for a minute. ये कंपनी फेमस है अपने वैक्यूम क्लीनर्स, एयर प्योरीफायर्स एंड हेयर स्टाइलिंग टूल्स के लिए। All these products are premium, but at the same time, majorly, all of them work really good. They are absolutely best in the class and are versatile. Now, coming to the on-track. The predecessor of these headphones had an air filter attached. साफ हवा के लिए as you walk on the streets. Well, it was not well received by the tech enthusiast community, but here we have the second generation with no additional attachments. अब बात करते हैं इस प्रोडक्ट के डिज़ाइन के बारे में. These are supposed to be normal ones with normal functioning like any other wireless headphones. If you know Dyson, then you know that this is the design language and color scheme that they usually follow. The ones I have come with a metallic finish which makes it look quite premium and इसे आप customize भी कर सकते हो with a lot of color options, but you will have to spend a bomb for this. I checked on the website and these cushions and outer caps will cost you 5,000 rupees. I don't like chunky things in general, including gadgets or smartphone, but surprisingly, for some reason, I really like how these headphones look. And I did enjoy my time posing for this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. And in my short review, I called them head turners, and these are absolutely that. If you want all eyes on you, then I would say wear them. Looks are subjective, so enough about that. Now we'll talk about the fit. These are not the lightest headphones, but when you put them on, you don't feel any discomfort, and I really mean it. The fit is perfect, there is no clamping और मैंने इसे 2-3 घंटे तक के लिए continuously यूज़ करा है and they are quite comfortable. When you put them off, of course you feel lighter, but मुझे ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable लगे. I even stopped using my AirPods. और इस comfort के पीछे दो main reason है. Firstly, जो इसमें cushion यूज़ हुए हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है. It feels like a warm hug. And secondly, इसमें जो बैटरी का placement है that is quite accurate. बैटरी को यहाँ और यहाँ पर place किया गया है जिसकी वजह से जो weight है equally distribute होता है and these become quite comfortable to use. And because of the fit, the passive noise isolation is also brilliant. Like if I put them on, I literally can't hear anything. And now let's get to the business. Let's talk about how these actually sound. आम भाषा में अगर मैं बोलूँ, the sound quality is really good and rich. Technically, ये डिलीवर करता है excellent audio quality with a sound profile that is balanced and realistic. They lean towards a slightly warm and lively sound that's enjoyable. काफ़ी लंबे टाइम का यूज़ करने के बाद भी आपको fatigue फील नहीं होगा. The sound doesn't feel harsh and overly processed. And this make them suitable for a wide range of listeners. और ऑन ट्रैक में आपको बहुत सही ANC कैपेबिलिटी भी मिलती है. I take metro every day and these became my best friend on my daily commute. They almost eliminate most ambient noises और इसका transparency mode भी काफ़ी बढ़िया है. Feels like that you don't have anything on. And the best part, how easy it is to switch from ANC to transparency and vice versa. I'll show you. Like when you have them on, you can just double tap on either side to switch from transparency to ANC. It's quite easy. You can download My Dyson app on your smartphone to get access to some more settings and equalizer presets. I personally like the default one. Dyson ने यहाँ पर टच और जेस्चर कंट्रोल कम से कम दिए हैं, which I personally love. To switch it on, you just have to press this button और यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आपको ये जॉयस्टिक कंट्रोल मिल जाएगा for sound levels and playback control. It also has auto head detection, so as soon as you take it off, the music automatically stops and it resumes when you put it on again. It automatically turns off after 30 minutes of no use. However, there is no multi-device connectivity. And at this price, I would not want to switch off Bluetooth on my laptop and then connect it to my phone. मेरे हिसाब से इस हेडफोन में multi-device connectivity तो होनी चाहिए थी. Another thing, if I'm paying almost 45,000 for a pair of headphones, I would want it to be versatile. But I feel there's a slight issue with this one. I mean, I have enjoyed my time with this, but I can't wear it while working out at a time when I really need music because it will keep falling off. और ये मेजरली इसके वेट की वजह से होता है बिकॉज दिस थिंग वेज अराउंड ऑलमोस्ट 500 ग्राम्स, टू बी प्रिसाइज 451 grams. Have I told you guys about the battery? The battery on this thing is just insane. I mean, जब ये हमारे पास आया था तब इसमें 80% बैटरी थी and we have been trying this for over 3 weeks and still हमने इसे एक बार भी चार्ज नहीं किया. It comes with 55 hours of playback time even with ANC और ये 3 घंटे चार्ज करने में फुल चार्ज हो जाता है. So with moderate use, you can almost use it for 20 days. So all in all, I would say this is a brilliant product which delivers what it claims. But if you want a versatile headphone which can be connected to multiple devices or which you can wear while working out, then these are not meant for you. But other than that, you will not feel disappointed with this in any other area. Go for it, of course, if you have the money. So that's it for this video. Do let us know what you feel about this product और इससे related कोई भी questions हैं तो आप हमसे comment से पूछ सकते हो and we'll see you in the next video.